Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Truist secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Truist website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will see fields for entering your credentials. First, enter your username in the designated box. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the corresponding link for recovery options. If you are using a personal device, you may check the Remember Me box for easier access in the future. After entering your information, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you continue to experience issues, consider resetting your password. To do so, return to the login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password securely. Once you are logged in, navigate your account as needed. Remember to log out after your session for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.